I've implemented a special select mode in rlworkbench that simplifies selecting different portions of a document. And here's a demo of it. The select mode is entered by pressing ctrl+l for select. The mode is a quasimode, meaning that it's only active while the L key is still pressed. The control key, however, can be released. And in the select mode, buttons do different things. So, pressing R while in select mode extends the selection to the current region leaped over. Pressing E extends the selection to line boundaries. And pressing A extends the selection to paragraph boundaries. So let's see this in action. So let's first go down to this first paragraph here. We can click here to move the cursor there. Now let's say we want to select this line. So we press ctrl+l and hold the L key still pressed. Then we can do, let's start with E for line boundaries. It selects the whole line. Let's try the R to extend to the leaped over region. So let's say we just want to select a couple of words here. So we leap to say the special. And then we want to select what we just leaped over. So we press ctrl+l to enter the select mode, and then we press R to extend the selection to the region we just leaped over. And while still holding the L key down, we can select the whole line by pressing E to extend to line boundaries. Let's see if we can show how this works for paragraphs as well. So this is a paragraph, and another one is here. So let's place the cursor somewhere in this first paragraph. We press ctrl+l and then we press A to extend the selection to paragraph boundaries. The editor is also in this select mode when clicking and dragging with the mouse. So in a previous demo I showed that it's now possible to make a selection with the mouse. And while the mouse button is pressed, these R, E and A keys do exactly the same thing. So if I want to select these two paragraphs, I can make a selection that covers the paragraphs and press A to select, to extend the selection to paragraph boundaries. I can do the same here. A to select these paragraphs. And it works with lines as well. So if I just want these two lines, I'm now in select mode because I'm still having the left mouse button pressed, and I can do E to select these two lines. Having an explicit select mode frees up more keys for select operations. So far, I find it a little uncomfortable sustaining the L key, but I feel like it has potential. And that's the new way of making selections in rlworkbench.